So today we'll discuss about some numericals in the first chapter. Okay. So exercise 2a numerical. So we'll do last four. Okay. The rest of the numericals are very easy. I think you can able to do it. So I'm starting from question number 13. A car accelerates at a rate of 5 meter per second square. Find the increase in velocity in its 2 second. What the things are given, that is acceleration equals to 5 meter per second square and time t equals to 2 second. Okay, so it is asked that what is the increase in velocity, means you have to find out v minus u. Okay, so v minus u you have to find out. We know that acceleration a equals to v minus u by t. Okay, so v minus u equals to a into t. Okay, so a equals to 5, t equals to 2, so it is 10 meter per second. Okay, so question is done. Now we'll coming to 14. A car is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. The car is moving is with a velocity 20 meter per second, means it is its initial velocity. Initial velocity u equals to 20 meter per second. Okay, the brakes are applied and retarded at a rate of 2 meter per second square. What will be the velocity after 5 seconds of applying the brakes? Okay, so retardation also we denote by a, so it is 2 meter per second square, and time it is given 5 seconds. So you have to find out the v. So first of all, it is retardation. The retardation, we all know, it is known as negative acceleration. So our equation will be changed. Okay, we know a equals to v minus u by t, but for this equation it is minus a. Okay, because it is retardation, that's why we have to take minus a. Okay, so v minus u equals to minus of 80. Okay, and if I find out v here, v equals to u minus 80. So value of u, it is given 20 minus 5. Okay, air it is 2. 20 minus 10, so it is 10 meter per second. Okay, okay, so it is our velocity, that is the final velocity after 5 seconds if it is retarded by 2 meter per second square. Now we'll coming to the another question number 15. A bicycle is initially moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So u is given 5 meter per second, and it accelerates for 5 seconds at a rate of 2 meter per second square. So time t equals to given 5 seconds and acceleration a equals to 2 meter per second square. Okay, then it is asked to find the final velocity, that is v, you have to find out. Okay, so you know v equals to u plus 80. Okay, as a equals to v minus u by t, so from there we can write v equals to u plus 80. So here what is the value of v, we have to find out. What is the u, it is 5 plus it is 5 second and 2, so 5 into 2, so it is 15 meter per second. That is the final velocity. Now coming to the question number 16. Okay, it's very easy one. A car is moving in a straight line with a speed of 18 km per hour. So here u is given 18 km per hour. See, kilometer per hour, it is not the SI unit. Okay, so we have to convert it in SI unit. Okay, so 18 kilometer per hour into 5 by 18, we have already know how kilometer per hour is converted into meter per second, so you have to multiply it by 5 by 18, so it is 5 meter per second. If it is stopped in 5 seconds, so t is given 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it stops. So if after 5 seconds it stops, then the final velocity will be 0. And now the thing it is asked here the speed of the car in meter per second. So meter per second, the speed is already calculated, that u equals to 5 meter per second. That is the first question, we have already done it. And question number 2, the retardation. So let's find out the retardation. The retardation, a equals to v minus u by t. So as it is retardation, we have to write down minus a, because it is negative acceleration. So here v minus u equals to minus at. Okay, so v equals to u minus at. What is the value of u? 5. Okay. Oh, we have to find out the acceleration. The v is 0 already, so we'll go do by this equation only. Okay, so it is 0 minus a into t is 5. Okay, so let's come here. 5a equals to 5, so a equals to 1 meter per second square. Okay, so acceleration or the retardation, we can finding out, it is done. Now the speed of the car after 2 seconds. Again we have to come by same equation, that is v equals to u minus at. So minus at, because it is for retardation. So v equals to, as it is asked the final velocity after 2 seconds, so value of u is 5 minus value of a is 1, we have already finding out, 1 into t, it is 2, because t equals to 2 seconds it is mentioned. So 5 minus 2 equals to 3 meter per second. Okay, so our question is completed.